Hi, this is Nikki Morris, and we're looking at our video, Let Us Entertain You, by me, AJ Whedon, Brianna LaFine, and Taylor Phillips. We made this video kind of inspired by the Blue Man Group. We actually used one of their songs called Time to Start, and you see us using glow sticks because we try to think of a creative way than making just a music video. We wanted to make something that was sort of entertaining, so we thought, glow sticks were pretty cool. So we put them on our heads so you could see us, and then we held them in our hands so you can't really see anything else. And we take the beginning and dance around with the music. And later on in the video, you will see us kind of explaining the concepts, but for now, we're just kind of messing around, showing you how light works and how the glow stick trails kind of look cool, and just dancing around. So here we just, keep dancing around, and kind of our point of the beginning of the video was to try to follow what the music was saying, to do all the moves, where the head bob and the fist pump and then the jumping up and down, and we'll be doing that here. And trying to make it, funny, entertaining, kind of silly and goofy, not all too serious, because we all know how physics can get serious and then it can kind of make you yawn, but we wanted to make it kind of funny, get maybe a giggle out of you if we're lucky. But yeah, this is just us messing around, and then later we get on. And yeah, gosh, we do a lot of dancing. But yeah, we do a lot of dancing here. We try to make sure we get a good beginning. It was nice and long, trying to entertain you, kind of bring you in, to make sure you want to watch the rest of the video, because the rest of the video is actually cool. We've got some information coming up, but right now we're just messing around, dancing, playing with our glow sticks, getting the point across of what we were doing. So yeah, it was a lot of fun. Then after this is when we finally move on to one of our little segments. You'll see that here in a second.
It's time to start.
Rock concert movement number 4. The behind the head leg stretch.
Alright, so this segment says time to slow it down. Let's experiment with some sound. I threw a little rhyme in there. But what you'll see behind the sound sign is I'm sitting there with 4 bottles with water in them and glow sticks behind it so you can kind of see it. And I start blowing into the bottles to show you each sound that it makes. Some are high pitched, some are low pitched, depending on the water. And I take a swig of one just to maybe change the sound a little bit, and then it sounds good. And then after this, I do like a little song, Mary Had a Little Lamb. And remember, the less the water, the lower the sound is. So the one all the way to your left, if you're watching it, has the most water in it. So it has the highest pitch sound, and all the way to the right has the lowest pitch because it has the least amount of water. So this next part of the video, we are going to attempt to show you how a wave looks with a big long string of glow sticks. And we both interpret what we think a wave is, and eventually here you'll see us, we actually figure out what a wave is. It's kind of hard to see a little bit, so you'll have to look very closely. When I go put the wave sign back, I'm going to grab the other side of the string, and we're kind of going to experiment a little. There's a lot of waiting time in between while we're trying to figure it out. Yeah, we're trying to see it go up and down, and it's just not working out. Us being in our little zone, trying to figure it out. And eventually we get it going here to where it looks like a standing wave. So right about here. There you go. Now you can see it, where you can see the node in the center and the anti-nodes. If you look really carefully, you'll be able to see the orange light in the middle especially. Yeah, so we actually were able to make a wave, and that was that part of the video.
Step 2. Let gravity
So this next part of the video, it says time for a physics breakdown. Let's start with the classic wave. So we took glow sticks and we actually taped them to a board, and I take glow sticks and start tapping on the board, and I point to each part of the wave saying, you know, crest, trough, and then I show the whole wave, and that's how we show that. And then I show you what a wavelength is and using those glow sticks. And then the next thing we show you is light. So our little light bulb has light going out from it, and it travels in a straight line. So I think that was pretty straightforward. This is more the learning part. And then after this we have an open-ended tube where we show a wavelength, and we show how it is only 1/2 of a wave. And then after this we're going to move on to a closed-ended pipe. There we go. And it is only 1/4 of a wave. And that was the end of the learning segment. Now we get to dance around more. Woohoo! This is more the end of our video, just kind of messing around at another part we didn't really use. And then it tells you who it was made by, and then it says the end. Woohoo! So thank you. I hope you enjoyed watching this. It was a lot of fun making it.